6, and I'm your host, Micheal Humphrey. In today's news, many people in the small town of Bumbleberg have reported hearing strange noises coming from the local forest. And 2 men made a video documenting it.
Totally gonna find out what that stupid noise is, bro. We're gonna catch the big butt.
Yeah.
And we even their bait. Bro.
Oh, this is disgusting.
It's okay.
Disgusting.
Only the big butt has to like it.
Good point, good point.
Alrighty. So I think we're close to where the reports were. So I'm gonna throw the bait.
Why would you do that?
Okay, bro. I also really have to go to the bathroom.
Hey! What? Okay. I swear I heard the noise again. I don't know why though. What the? Oh my gosh! What the heck? I think that's Bigfoot. I think that's Bigfoot. Oh my god! Oh my god! I think that's Bigfoot.
However, many experts have declared the video a hoax. Here's Katy on the site of the video's filming.
Thank you, Micheal. We're here at the site of the alleged sighting and filming. Earlier, I was able to speak with the 2 individuals and record a brief interview.
Okay, so do you think there's anything that could be strange out in the woods? What do you think of these noises that are happening recently?
I think it's something in the woods.
Yes.
Well, I think it's a Sasquatch. Because I was out there with my cousin and we were picking wild blackberries and we saw something rustling about 9 feet tall and went, wow! How do you feel about some online users calling your video, let's see, fake, staged, not real, movie magic, even though it was not very magical, a shameless attempt at capitalizing on the real fear of the townsfolk?
I think they're wrong.
Hope you enjoyed that riveting interview. Oh my! What is that? It seems as if you have been the cause of all the fear and panic surrounding this noise in the woods. How do you answer that charge?
Well, you see, I was just messing around with the recorder, and when those people made a video about it, I thought it was really, really funny. So I just continued on doing it.
Do you have any remorse?
Oh, no.
There you have it.